Welcome to my channel. For those that just subscribe, I thank you for subscribing to my channel. You're gonna love what I have in store. Today we are working with WIGGINS Hair. This is a full frontal 20-inch loose deep wave hair. Now I kind of went through it and added a little highlights just to bring it some oomph. I didn't want it to be so blunt and just black, so you're going to see some brown highlights throughout the portion of the wig. Today I will be showing you how to style your lace frontal. Certain people that wear frontals might just stick with one style. I'm going to show you how to play with your frontal, how to do a total of 4 different styles, 4 different hairstyles that you can play with on your frontal. If you can do them yourself at home, or if not, they're just simply easy steps. So stay tuned. So how do you guys like that? Like, isn't that like so helpful and like so awesome? And these looks are night and day. These are if you're on a date night, you could just dress it up with a little cute little headband. Then you got the half up, half down. You want to just, you know, rock it off with a little braid. You want to add some little spice to it. I mean, it's different things you can play with when it comes to these frontals. So I hope you guys learned a lot. I would like for you guys to follow me on Instagram, follow me on all social media platforms. Also purchase this wig. Wiggins is the best, as you guys can see. I done did a braid, I done did a half up, half down. I done did so much that this full lace wig still hold intact. You guys contact them with the information located in the description box. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel once again. I love you. Like, subscribe, comment, do whatever you guys have to do. Peace.